you're a leader in Dubai and you're requiring some help with an aspect of communication training. Let me tell you why CEOs, world leaders, presidents, and royalty give me a call to work with them when it comes to their communication training requirement. They say that you should never judge a book by its cover, and yet we all do. The truth is, communication is a critical skill for any leader. And like any leader that understands, this skill needs to be developed. But the chances are you've already attended many communication training courses. The chances are you have a communication team. And the chances are you've read all the books. But you still need help. My name is Kevin Abdulrahman. I'm a public speaking coach and advisor to CEOs, world leaders, presidents, and royalty. The reason clients in Dubai give me a call is because I guarantee results. I do that because I've been speaking personally for over 20 years. As a motivational keynote speaker that speaks all around the world, I not only teach, but I actually speak. I walk the walk. I fight the fight. My finger is on the pulse. Communication has many twists and turns. There are things that a textbook theory teacher is unable to teach you. There are things, many of them, that have changed and continue to change on a day-to-day basis. Do you want someone who can't guarantee results? Or would you like to work with someone who can guarantee that you can present with power and speak with impact? Anytime, anywhere, to any audience. So, if you are like the many leaders who are smart enough to understand that communication is a critical skill and that you need to not only develop it, but refine it to a world-class level, then give me a call and let's see how we can help you present with power and speak with impact.